So the Web 2.0 tool that I chose to use was the Padlet activity here, and I've done it for a components of physical fitness activity that can be used for both a PE class and or a health class. So the kind of neat thing about Padlet here is you can put a lot of different web activities here on it. So what I've done is I basically created one column here, and I've stacked mine for different components of physical fitness activities. There's links to videos. And again, if you want to change this, you can edit it right here. So rename section. I want to say, components of fitness video. You can change that right here. Components of fitness videos. I'm not great at spelling, sorry there. You can go ahead and save that. You can change those. You can reorder these. So if you want to move this one over here, you can change it over there. This could be an activity where students will explore the different components of fitness. Like I said, each one of them: muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, yoga for flexibility. They can check out some different videos. There's some articles in here that they can look here. And again, if you want to add a different section, you go just click the plus arrow. You can do pictures, links, uploads, all that stuff. And for this one here, this is going to kind of be the neat one where the students are actually going to use this section here to upload examples of their workout. So if I give them a flexibility workout, they have to demonstrate a certain stretch or a cardiorespiratory workout where they would demonstrate that, and then they would upload it here. So they would click on the plus button, click on the upload section here, and they can upload anything from their computer themselves. So if they did a video, took a picture, something like that, they go ahead and upload that there. So that's the Padlet. Like I said, great interactive tool to use for students.